Hello friends, this time we are going to describe about thermographic camera. A thermographic camera is a device that forms an image using infrared radiation. Instead of the 440 to 750 nanometer range of visible light camera, infrared cameras operate in wavelength as long as 14 micrometer. Before thermographic camera, one should know about infrared radiation.
What is infrared radiation? Infrared radiation is electromagnetic radiation generated by thermal motion of charges particles in the matter. In its most familiar form, it is the radiated heat which can be sensed by our skin yet cannot be seen by our eyes. The intensity of the emitted radiation depends on two factors, the temperature of the object and the ability to radiate. The latter is called the emissivity or emittance of the object. All the matters that have temperature above absolute zero radiates heat. The hotter the object, the more intense the radiation. However, for temperatures below 500 degrees Celsius, the heat cannot be seen with the naked eye. This is where the thermography comes in. The camera can see the heat at much lower temperatures than the human eye. The camera converts the infrared radiation into a state that is visible to us.
Normally, we need to convert the measured heat into temperature as the infrared camera can only measure the heat intensity. To convert this value into temperature, we require two things: a well-known physical formula, which is Stefan-Boltzmann law, and knowledge about emissivity of the object. It is essential that any use of infrared has an understanding of the physical properties of the object. At the heart of every thermal imager is an infrared detector. The detector converts infrared energy into an electrical signal through the electronic circuit within the imager. This electrical signal is then converted into the visible image which appears on the imager display's screen.
The most common detectors found in today's modern cameras are known as microbolometer. This microbolometer detector is constructed of two layers, a top plate and a substrate. Heat striking individual pixels create electrical resistance between these layers. Resistance values of individual pixels are then converted by the image electronics into thermal images and temperature values. For use in temperature measurement, the brightest parts of the image are customarily colored white. Intermediate temperatures are red and yellows. The dimmest parts are black. A scale should be shown next to a false color image to relate the colors to the temperatures, as we can see in the images. These are the applications of thermographic camera, night vision goggles, in building inspection, law enforcement and anti-terrorism, medical thermography, and in many other areas. Thank you for listening.